salt and pepper's back, and we came to out-rap you. So get out my face before I smack you. Ho, don't you know? Can't you understand? If you mess with me, I'll take your man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are here with another unit, and we are really moving into some uncharted territory with this one, okay? This young lady is Alaini. She is by WIG, okay? And she is the BYD lace, okay? The color is SOMRT Peach. And she is hair, okay? I don't know if you know what I mean by hair, but she is giving me hair. Like, this is a look, guys. Like, this is really a look. And I'm a brown girl. I always say, like, I'm super melanated, and I'm very conscious of the colors that I choose because I always wanted to complement my look. And I feel like this one kind of came through for me today in a way I really wasn't ready for. I really wish I would have took before pictures when I didn't have on makeup, and how she just was like sitting on my head, just living her life. But she's good now. She's good now. She's resting. She's resting, if you can't tell. So this unit has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It is really big head friendly. I actually had to tighten her up a little bit because she super accommodates larger heads, which is a good thing. Now, she is 30 inches long, okay? Now, with longer units, synthetic units for that matter, they tangle quite a bit. And this one didn't fail the test. She's tangling as well. However, she is so well made. Like, Sister Wig should be very proud of themselves for putting out such a quality unit from here to here, okay? From here to here, which means about 24 inches. Now, past the 24 inches, she's getting a little rough. She's getting a little rough. So, for the price, though, she was $45. I trekked over to the Slauson warehouse, and it was so much fun. It's the most amazing place ever. Everybody should go. And she kind of was worth it. She was absolutely worth the trip. I left, I came back, I left, I came back, and then I said, you know what? I'm going to do pink, okay? For all the brown girls who are super afraid of color, this is all the way for you, because sometimes I see people and they're wearing like green wigs and everything, and it's just like, girl, I get it. Like, you kind of think we can do everything, but we can't. And it still should complement the way you look. And even in this lighting, like, I'm really kind of tan, I feel like. Not tan, but I'm really like, I got a little bit browner from what I usually am, and which I guess is tan. But I feel like I still look really good sitting up under a pink wig, okay? And I want everybody to get into her and really branch out and try something new. That should be our goal for us brown girls this summer. Whether you're a light brown girl, dark brown girl, honey brown girl, caramel brown girl, we all gotta try something new because we deserve it, and we just queening, you know? It's just a thing. Like, this is a crown. And I'm really feeling super feminine and super sexy. I sat on a stool today. You guys are getting a full tour of my home, honey. I sat on my stool today because she's really long. Like, super duper long. And I really kind of wanted you guys to get the full picture. Now, I would recommend her, especially if you're kind of bold and beautiful. Some of us are like demure and beautiful, but some, like others, are bold and beautiful. And if you are, this unit is definitely for you. They had an abundance of colors. I chose pink because I've been giving you a lot of dark colors lately, and I wanted to spice up your life, okay? And I think she's kind of doing it. I think she's doing it. I really want to know what you guys think. This is a really good unit. She has a couple baby hairs in the back, I guess, if you want to throw her up or something like that. I'm probably going to cut her. So I'm going to do an update video on this one, just so you guys can see where I cut her at, because I'm thinking it's going to be at like the 24-inch mark, because that's where it stops. It's not tangling to, like, it's straight through. I can brush her straight through to there. And yeah, I definitely recommend her. If anything, I recommend color. Color, color, color. Let's get into it. Let's not be afraid. We are brown and beautiful. Get into it, okay? So like, subscribe, share this video, honey. Share her, okay? I'm giving you Pose. What's that girl from Pose? I'm giving y'all to her, okay? I'm giving y'all her. Get into her. Get in. Bye.